Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do a soft reset on your SOUNDCORE Select 2S speaker. To do a soft reset, at first we need to turn off our speaker by holding the power button. Then we have to enter settings and connect the devices. Scroll down to connect preferences and tap Bluetooth. Here we have to disable Bluetooth. On the iPhone, just enter settings and Bluetooth and tap on this switch. Now after 10-20 seconds, we have to turn on Bluetooth and turn our speaker back again. This is called the soft reset process. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye!